Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Tonight's video is going to be a what's in my bag video and finally getting to show you guys what's in this little beauty. I love it. I've been loving it. I feel like it goes with everything. Even though it does have this print on it, it still for some reason just goes with everything. To me, it brings like a little bit of androgyny, and I don't know if that's strange to say, but yeah, I just feel like a little bit more masculine when I carry this, and then my outfits seem to have like a more masculine vibe, which I'm totally cool with because I love that. I love that look. Just like that style, it's amazing. I love it. So I'm cool with it. I feel like this could be for everybody. This print, this bag, this style is amazing. I love it. I'm obsessed. So let's just hop into the bag so I can show you what this little furry thing is. And how long have I been carrying this? Maybe like a week now? Has it been a week since I've had it? Or like everything about it is so just classy and gorgeous. So let's get into the bag. Hello. See, oop, a filter's coming off my face. I felt like I needed a filter tonight. You know, sometimes you just feel like you need a filter, so that's what I'm working with. Oh, and my ring light is a hot mess right now, so please don't judge that either. Oh, hello, my background. That's okay, guys. It's all right. It's okay. This is real life. All right, so this is what the inside of my bag looks like. It's pretty organized. I keep it pretty organized, like as far as the lay of everything, or like the layout of everything. I clean out my bag, which is nutso because I cannot get myself to clean out my car, but I clean out my bag every night. And yeah, so here we go. The first thing I have, just like in the front, okay, so my notebook, first thing, very important. Love my notebook, gotta have my notebook. I have to write notes. I have post-its in there too, or I think somewhere in here, for like quick notes, like say I'm at the store or something like that and I have to write it down really quickly. I have, what does it say? Oh yeah, so I have that to be quick about it, but I also feel like I need my notebook because that has like all the important stuff in it, right? Okay. And then sticking out from my little pouch is my pen. I got it from Galactic. Oh my gosh, I forgot their name already. Sorry. Galactic Exchange. That's what it's called. And I don't know. I wanted something fun and frilly in my life because I've just been going through. So yeah, I've kind of just been going through it, and I was like, you know, this little furry pen for some reason makes it a little bit better. A little bit. Okay, next is, I'll just take out the little pouch and we can go through that. I just cleaned it out, so there isn't anything that I don't want in here. I do want everything in here. I know every video I'm like, oh, I think I'm gonna take this out. I never take it out. So this is my just in case bag if I get a moment to touch up, or say I'm not with Luna and you know, I want to go somewhere and have more makeup-y things on me and more like, you know, that type of deal. I have lip liners, I have my blotting powder, I have a Tide to Go pen, I have a lip gloss, mints, and yeah, my favorite fragrance from Killian Princess. So yeah, this is like my little makeup pouch, mommy pouch. Not mommy pouch, just makeup pouch. Okay, there's nothing but makeup in there, that's it. Well, and my pill case and the mints, and that's it, but you know. Okay, so next, I'll show you guys my key holder. I have all my extra keys in here, so yeah. I'm being super loud. But yeah, this one is by Ferragamo also. It's beautiful. I love it. I got it, I think, for like, I don't know, I got a super killer deal on it, 40 bucks or something. It was awesome, off Depop. So that's beautiful, and that lives in my bag. Also, I have a deck of Uno cards, and the cool Uno cards, okay? So yeah, these are the cool deck of Uno cards, soft matte black, so cool. I just bought them because I wanted to play, and I took them over to a friend's house, and now I feel like they need to live in my purse for some reason. I don't know. Like I feel like I'm gonna play Uno everywhere with everybody. So I have those. Okay, next thing I have are some cookies, and these are the chewy cookies from like the worst brand ever, so I'm not gonna mention that. That's why they're in here, to make me feel better. Just kidding. No, yeah, I just have them in here because it's a reusable Ziploc and it's cute, and I like to have snacks for Luna. So, and I never had, like, I should have healthy snacks, but I just don't. I like convenient quick shit. Speaking of convenient quick shit, Scooby snacks, and these are bomb. These are so good. I love these. These are for me. For me only. No, I bought them for Luna, but she didn't like them, so I was like, I'll eat them. That's what happens with most of the snacks that she doesn't like. I always end up having to eat them. My next little cutie, I love this. I love the key pouches. They're my favorite, probably like my number one favorite, and this is my number two favorite. So adorable. I love them. This one is the Ophidia key pouch, and I have my headphones in here, and then also like the thing that plugs into the wall. I always call it a box or a cube. So I have a cube in there also, because anytime I just bring a charger and I'm like, hey, can I borrow a cube? People are like, what? Like, yeah, you know, the thing that plugs into the wall, the cube. In the beginning, weren't they called cubes? I don't know. They looked like cubes, right? Yeah, okay. I'm not crazy. Okay, we've got a few more things in here, just roaming. I have 2 pens, and you gotta keep the pens with the lids, baby girl, because then you risk marking up the inside of your bag, and you don't want to do that. So cap those pens, okay? And these are awesome, actually. These Papermate Wright Brothers 1.0. They're just like the regular. I didn't think they were gonna be good. I was like, these are like the cheapest little, and then they're bomb, and they have little hearts on them. Like, what the heck? It's cute. All right, let's see what else we got. We got the famous Dolce hand lotion. Yeah, this garden smells delicious, but I have a theory. Okay, this is my theory. I really think that the Dolce garden that they sell in Sephora is different than the one they sell in the department stores, because I feel like the little old ladies go into the department stores and the younger girls go into Sephora to get their fragrance, right? So like this one seems more powdery to me. I know I sound insane, but anyway, this seems more powdery to me, and the one that I used to wear that I would spray on me all the time in Sephora, it was just more fruity and more like coconutty. I swear this one has more powder in it. I don't like it. I'm gonna be honest, but I need to use it up because, you know. Next thing, crayons. I keep these in here for Luna in case she wants to color on something, or in case we're stuck somewhere and she has nothing to do, my phone dies, I don't know, you know, because usually if we're out somewhere and she's like, I'm bored, or I don't want to do this anymore, I just tell her like, well, do you want my phone? So I always give her my phone when we're out. So yeah. I have this is my Sephora list, and I got a small brow gel, and I thought I needed a large because I thought I lost my current one, but I still have it. She's still slick. And then I still need to get my Indie Lee cleanser. Right, so my bag is completely empty now, and there is a pocket on the front, but I do not use that pocket. I did want to show you guys this though. I did convert this into my wallet. This is what I'm using as my wallet right now. I like it because it goes with the bag more, and also I thought, why am I gonna have 2 makeup bags? So I had this one with like mini touch-up things, or like quick touch-up things, and then I had that other bag with all the other makeup. So I was like, I don't know, I don't feel the need to have that. And my little Franco Sarto coin purse that I had before broke, sadly. I've had that for like 9 years and it broke, so that was sad. So I started using this and I thought, you know, it's perfect because it can hold change because it's like a pouch, and then it just fits everything else so perfectly too. I was like, ah. And plus I love this. I love the buttery soft leather of it. I love the way it looks. I love that it's not too flashy, so like if you're holding it this way, you can't really tell what it is. That's what I like. I like subtle hints with my luxury items, and I mean, even that, I guess I can't say that because that bag has a pretty big print on it. But I enjoy the more subtly types of like luxurious items. I've wanted one of their like Marmont bags, but I just feel like the chain is gonna be too much. But then when I think about it and I see this one, I'm like, it gives a more like rock and roll vibe than you would think. So yeah, this is just one of my favorites that I own, and I was like, you know, I want to pull this out more often. I want to use it. You know, it was just sitting in my bag not being used, and it needed to be loved. So this is my new wallet, and then I just have my keys on there with some hand sani, and yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. I'm very sad it's over because I like talking to you guys, and I also realized that I gained a few new followers, so thank you so much to my new followers for subscribing, and I hope you stay with me, and I hope you enjoy my videos. If you do, give this video a thumbs up, and thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I'm so excited. I really love doing this, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.